Hey everyone! The Shopify email app remains the most cost-effective way for beginners to start email marketing. Since it's built directly by Shopify, it has seamless access to your products, inventory, and customer data, allowing you to send professional newsletters without paying for expensive third-party platforms. Step 1. The Smart Launch. Search bar. We start with the admin search bar because it's the fastest way to bypass the App Store's clutter. In 2026, Shopify's search isn't just for products, it's a command center. At the top of your Shopify admin, type Email. Click on Shopify Email Messaging. If it's your first time, you'll hit Install. This direct method ensures you are using the native tool that gives you 10,000 free emails per month, which is the best starting point for any new store. Step 2. Choosing your blueprint, page templates. We do this to ensure your layout is technically sound, meaning it will look good on everything from a giant desktop monitor to a small smartphone screen. Click Create Campaign. You'll see a library of templates like Product Highlight, Sale, or Newsletter. In 2026, look for the Sidekick AI icon. You can actually describe your campaign, like make a colorful email for my new summer collection, and the AI will suggest the best template and pre-fill the text for you. Step 3. Managing your branding, the auto sync. This is where you ensure visual continuity. We do this because customers are 13% more likely to buy when an email looks exactly like the website they just visited. Go to Settings, Brand, or use the Brand tab inside the email editor. Upload your high-resolution logo and set your primary brand colors. Shopify Email will automatically inject these colors into your buttons and headers. You don't have to manually match hex codes every time you send a message. Step 4. Quality control, the test send. We finish with the test send. We do this because emails can break depending on whether the customer uses Gmail, Apple Mail, or Outlook. Before you send to your thousands of customers, click Send Test. Open the test on your phone, check that the images load quickly, and that your Shop Now button takes you to the correct product page. Once it's perfect, select your customer segment, like all subscribers, and choose Send Now or Schedule for a time when your customers are most likely to be awake. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.